Want to get the most out of ChatGPT? Whether you're writing a story, solving a problem, or just having fun, your prompt matters. In this video, I'll show you how to write powerful prompts that get you better, smarter results from ChatGPT. Part 1, Why Prompts Matter. Think of ChatGPT like a super smart assistant. The clearer your instructions, the better the outcome. A weak prompt leads to vague or generic answers, but a strong one, that unlocks real creativity and depth. Part 2, Basic Structure of a Good Prompt. Here's a simple structure to keep in mind. 1. Be specific. 2. Add context. 3. Give a clear goal. 4. Set the tone or style, if needed. Part 3, Examples. Example 1, Weak versus strong prompt. Weak prompt, write a story. Strong prompt, write a 300-word sci-fi story set on Mars, featuring a sarcastic robot and a lost astronaut. Part 4, Advanced Tips. Want to level up? Try these. Use bullet points for multi-part tasks. Ask ChatGPT to roleplay as an expert. Include examples of what you want. Use follow-ups to refine results. Example prompt, act as a social media expert. Give me 5 tweet ideas to promote a tech gadget to Gen Z. Using humor, better prompts mean better results. Whether you're a student, a creator, or just curious, prompt writing is a skill worth building. Like, subscribe, and drop your best prompt in the comments. I might feature it in the next video.